Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another delicious episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making a simple, basic vanilla cake. It's going to be so good and so moist and delicious, perfect for all your vanilla cake needs. All the ingredients and the directions are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees and get started on pretty much the only vanilla cake recipe you're gonna need. So let's grab a medium-sized mixing bowl, and to that, add in 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. And give that a nice quick little whisk. Now let's go ahead and scoot that to the side. Grab another mixing bowl, and to that add in 4 eggs and 2 cups of white sugar. And with your hand mixer, we're gonna go ahead and beat these together for about 1.5 to 2 minutes until they're both light and creamy together. Now let's go ahead and follow that with 3 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 sticks of room temperature butter, and back in with our hand mixer on a low speed, mixing these ingredients together for about a minute. Now let's go ahead and add our dry ingredients to this yummy cake party. And staying on that low speed, blend all these ingredients together until they were just combined. Keyword, just. I'm gonna underline that and put some stars and exclamation points, just combined. You wanna be sure not to over mix this batter. Over mixing batters will really just make it dense and heavy. That's why I really started relying on my hand mixer, because I kind of like to feel what's going on with that batter, just get in there. And lastly, let's go ahead and throw in 1 cup of sour cream. And low speed, mix until smooth. Not over mix, just mix until just smooth. Your batter might be on the thicker side, but don't worry, this is gonna be the perfect vanilla cake, I promise. And there is our simple vanilla cake batter. You might be looking at it now and thinking, that's a lot of batter. It's enough batter to fill 2 9-inch round cake pans, which I like to use. Perfect size for any cake party or any party with cake. Though I like cake party better. We should all be having cake parties. Let's go ahead and add our cake batter into our 9-inch round pans, lined with some parchment paper so there's no sticky bottoms. Now let's go ahead and place our cakes in the oven and let bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a cake tester comes out clean. So our cakes have baked, they're cooled. You can add any kind of frosting you want with it, or you just cut yourself a slice of some naked vanilla cake, have it with some coffee or some tea. If you need some ideas for this delicious vanilla cake, I'll throw some links down below and some delicious frosting recipes down below also. Check them out. It'll really take this vanilla cake to the next level. But that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below, whichever side that arrow goes to. Always mixes me up. And if you make and try this delicious, basic and simple, but oh so good vanilla cake, let me know and share it with me. Let me see what you're making in your kitchen and give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. Twitter, it's there. I don't know how to do Twitter. I'm just not getting it. But Instagram is where the party's at. And until next week, Bye.